Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Supercell ID. So let's get started right away. Now, if you're using your Supercell ID to play any Supercell game, then if you wish to delete this account, then when you open up the game and check in from your Supercell ID, you will not find any option to delete this account. If you check within the settings box, there are various different options. However, you will not find this delete your account option. So tap on FAQ and you will see various different questions regarding Supercell ID. If you don't find your query answered within this page, then this means that you will need to contact the support team yourself. To do this, go into the game settings from the menu page, and once you tap on settings, tap on help and support. Within the help and support page, you will be able to navigate to your desired question by choosing the appropriate category. Tap on account access and Supercell ID and then choose the account that you're seeking help for. Finally, now you will be allowed to enter your custom message. Just type in that you wish to delete your Supercell ID and send your message, and you will receive the appropriate response where you will be asked to enter your player ID. After you enter your Supercell game ID and proceed forward, you will see the further instructions that you will need to follow in order to proceed with deleting your account. Make sure you follow all of these instructions and your account will be scheduled for deletion. Once your account has been scheduled to delete, your progress will be reverted back into your local account. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to delete your account on Supercell. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.